Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're passionate about helping people with business and accounting. In today's video, I want to talk about year-end preparation. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So tip number one is contact your tax professional. That's right. I want you to do that first. I want you to get in line so they know that you are interested in being their client and that you're coming back this year. What happens is, as a tax professional, we have a lot of clients, and so we don't always have the time to contact each one individually to see if they're going to return services. Turnover is high mainly because of, software like TurboTax that makes it easy for people to do their taxes. So if you're going to work with a tax professional, which as a business owner, I highly recommend that you do, contact them as soon as possible. Tip number two is make sure that all of your income and expenses is recorded in your accounting software. So go through all of your receipts, go through all of your statements, and make sure that you've entered everything. Now, if you're just getting started as an entrepreneur and you can't really justify the cost of accounting software, I have a template that you can purchase off of our website that is called the General Ledger template. So what a general ledger is, it's basically what keeps all of the historical information of the business. So you can purchase this template and enter all of your information that way, and that saves you on the accounting subscription cost. Tip number three is reconcile your bank account. That's right. If you have accounting software, make sure that you conduct your account reconciliations for the entire year. You want to make sure that you're not missing anything, and this is the best way to make sure that everything is accounted for. I have a video, check it out, on account reconciliations. It walks you through how to reconcile in QBO. Tip number four, if you work out of a home office or out of a place designated in your home, make sure that you keep track of all of that information. If you're going to elect the regular method and you're going to use a percentage of use of your electric bill, your water bill, make sure you document all of that information. I have a resource available for you. If you have questions on home office, check out this video. So tip number five is review your profit and loss statement. So before you turn over a profit and loss statement to your tax professional, make sure that you've taken a look at this report. What I like to do is I like to break this down month over month. Check out this example here. And this way I can look for anything that seems off. So typically if my income is $5,000 a month and all of a sudden I see a month that only has $3,000, that would prompt me to go in and look at it and see why there's a huge discrepancy. Same thing with expenses. If you typically have a business subscription expense that's $100 a month and all of a sudden you don't see it for May, then you want to go through your receipts and say, okay, did I pay this? When was it paid? Things like that. So this really does help identify anything that might be missing or overstated. So tip number six, if you have subcontractors or an independent contractor that works for you, then you need to conduct a contractor analysis. So the IRS require us to report any subcontractor that works for our organization above $650. So make sure that you export your vendor list out of QBO and analyze who you've paid above $650 and make sure that you issue them a 1099 if it's required. Check out this video on independent contractors to help identify if you should classify the person as an employee or as an independent contractor. And my final tip, tip number seven, is pay your self-employment tax. So if you are a sole proprietor, if you have a partnership, then you need to pay your quarterly self-employment tax. So for fourth quarter, self-employment taxes are due January 15th. So if your business is profitable, make sure that you pay your self-employment tax. I have an old video on my channel on self-employment tax. I'm going to link it up above. Check it out if you're not sure what self-employment tax is. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Share this video with a friend, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.